Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Instagram privacy and stop your live videos from automatically saving to your archive, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off the Save Live to Archive feature on Instagram. This way, your live videos won't be stored in your archive after you end your broadcast, giving you more control over your content. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account where you want to change this setting. Next, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you straight to your personal Instagram page. Once you're on your profile, look for the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon, in the top right corner. Tap on it to open up the main menu. In the menu, find and tap on Archiving and Downloading. This is where Instagram stores all your archived posts, stories, and live videos, and where you can control what gets saved. Now, you'll see an option called Save Live to Archive. By default, this might be turned on, which means every time you go live, Instagram automatically saves a copy of your live video to your archive. To stop this from happening, simply toggle off Save Live to Archive. Once you do this, Instagram will no longer save your live broadcasts to your archive after they end. That's it. You've successfully turned off the automatic saving of live videos to your archive. From now on, your live streams will disappear once they end, unless you choose to save or share them elsewhere. Remember, you can always come back and turn this feature back on if you change your mind in the future. This setting is perfect for anyone who wants more privacy or just prefers not to keep a record of their live sessions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks on managing your Instagram settings. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.